the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Carol of the Bells. So this makes day 17 of my Advent piano tutorials series where you can learn one song in the lead up to Christmas. So I've listed the rest of the playlist in the comment section below, so go and check out the other tutorials. Just quickly, my voice sounds a bit hoarse because I have been a bit poorly. So there's only going to be 4 different sections we're actually going to look at today, which makes up the entire song. So I'm going to name them Theme 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I'll list the order of these in the description below so you can piece it all together, and I'll show you different ways that you can amp it up and change it up as we go through the song. So we're going to start with the right hand first. So if you pop your third finger on the G above middle C, which is here on my piano, and the first part goes G, F sharp, G, E. The left hand is going to come in with single notes and it's going to play E, D, C, B. Let's go and do it again. So the first theme then fits together like this. Okay, so now theme number 2, you're going to stay where you are in the right hand for the time being, and you're going to play G and B, and then A, B, G. And you're just going to do that 4 times. And the left hand with that is going to play the E, D, C, B. Again, but you could play it as octaves, or you could play all of those notes an octave lower. So let's have a go at putting that bit together. So the third theme then is this part, which I'll go over in a sec, so I'll just play it for you in the right hand first. So the right hand there, if you pop your little finger on the E above middle E, and you're going to go this scalic part. So you're going to play B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, B, like this. And then go under on your 3. And then you're going to do the same again, an octave higher. So the left hand with that part is still just playing the E's, D's, C, B. Again, just play single notes if you can't reach an octave just yet. And then for the scalic part, you can play a low B. If I show you up here, just to get it in the shot. And you're going to play them separately like this. Or if you can jump like that, if you can't quite reach the octave. So I'm going to put that bit together slowly. So if you wanted to amp that section up to make it more dramatic, you could play the left hand more often, so alternating the octave of which you play the B's. So like this. The fourth theme then is similar to, but you're going to do this lower descending part with it as well. So this is up an octave, so where you finished, so you're staying there, and then you're going to go E and G, F sharp, G, E, and then it's these notes that are going to move down. So like we did in the left hand, so the descending E, D, C and B. So each time you play this motif, you're going to play a lower note with the G each time. C, B. So the left hand is going to play chords this time. So the first chord is an E and a G, and then a D and a G, and then C and E, and then B and D sharp. And that fits together like this. And then the next round of those, you're going to play in octaves again. D's, C's, B's. So with motif 2, when that repeats throughout the song, the left hand, you could repeat these chords again, just to make it sound like it's developing. So let's try that together. So the very, very ending is exactly like motif 1 played up here. You're just going to hold E's down in the left hand with that, just until that fades. So there are all the sections needed to play this entire song. If you enjoyed this video and it was useful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Bitesize Piano if you haven't already. I would love to have you on this channel learning from my tutorials. If you have any song requests, please leave them in the comment section below. I always look forward to talking with you all there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!